We have a 2010 Mini First, and it's in pepper white. This one is a category N, which is non-structural from the insurance company, and this one has a glorious 30,000 miles, which is very genuine as well. You can tell by its condition really. It has got pretty much nearly new Goodyears all the way around. This side is undamaged. So is the top. Dents, marks, scratches. Around the front is super clean, no damage. And also down this side as well. And there's no damage whatsoever. Inside it is, as you should expect from 30,000 miles, it's nice and tidy. There's no kind of marks, scratches and damages on it. And this one benefits from a full service history, which is great. And the back is lovely as well. Right, so category N, non-structural, and this is the reason why. Someone's bumped the back of it. I'm not sure it's been bumped into this way. I think it's come across the side because it's got marks along the bumper. And it's knocked off this chrome trim here, and it's made a couple of dents around here, one there, gouged there, but it hasn't affected it at all. It still opens and closes properly, and there's no damage because it's an N non-structural in the boot, and it's still got its kit there, and it's lovely and tidy. No one's really put much in there, if anything. And the bumper is damaged as well, so is the light there as well. That's it, but we're not going to try and fix these. We're going to replace them. I've got in pepper white a very decent second-hand bumper, and the same goes with the tailgate. No damage on it, so these will bolt on. The top is black, but they unbolt, so it'll have its white piece at the top as well. So they will simply unbolt, bolt on, and that is pretty much it. It will be pretty much exactly the same as before, just with a couple of different parts being bolted on, but the same colour. These typically retail with about 30,000 miles for around £5 grand. I don't see why this one shouldn't be $3,995, and it will make someone a super duper car, and it will have a terrific saving over a normal one.